Barbara Duncan. I'm food service manager here at Hephzibah Middle School. My dessert today is cream puffs. Let's see, my dish is a choux pastry. It's called cream puff. It's a French pastry. It's made with water, eggs, butter, and salt. I have been making this dish since I was 16 years old. My mother worked 2 jobs, and I had to come up with a dessert that was cheap for us to make, and eggs, water, and all that you have. So I've been doing it for 43 years. I've been making this dish, but I used to make it with my mother. She worked 2 jobs, and while she was there, I made Thanksgiving dinner, and when she came home, she was able to eat. Honey, I cook dinner for 55 people every year, and 28 of them are my family. I start 2 days ahead, and starts with desserts, and then goes down to sides, and then the turkey and ham. I do 2 turkeys, 2 hams. Reminds me of cooking in the kitchen with my mother, and she just passed, and she was 83 years old, so she lived a good life.